Hi everyone and welcome. It's Lauren here from Acting Classes in Perth. This is episode number 41 and you're watching the Acting Classes in Perth Your Questions Answered Daily Show. Yeah, that's right, the show where I sit down and answer all your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single day here on Facebook Live and YouTube Live simultaneously. Let's roll the intro. All right, so today's question comes in from Luke, but before we get to that question, if you are watching us right now, please give us a big thumbs up here. I'd love to know you're out there. Leave a comment or simply say hello. I try to get back to everyone as soon as I can. Let's jump straight into this episode. We have a question from Luke. Hey, Luke, what's your question, mate?
My question for you today is it worth applying for Whopper or NIDA? Thanks for asking my question, man. Have a great day.
Luke, thanks, mate, for sending in your question. Now, I don't think it's important to need to study at Whopper or NIDA or VCA or any of those other real long-term, say 3-year institutions to be successful as an actor. Absolutely not. I think it's really important that you look at what it is you want, because when you sign over to these places and you get into, say, Whopper or NIDA, you are contractually obligated to be with them and you are not able to go outside of them to partake in any production. So, in essence, there is 3 years of your life as an actor that, especially in the early days and especially for the young women out there, they are some good prime years that you can be out there trying to cement yourself in the industry. Plus, it costs a lot of money. Now, yes, you're going to get that on some kind of HECS or help support through the government. However, you will need to pay that back. So what I would suggest is, look, if you get in, consider it, right? Like, definitely amazing training, amazing opportunities, go for it. However, it's not the only option. And even if you, you do get accepted, consider, is it right for you? I think all actors are different and every single actor needs to be kind of addressed and taken care of in their direction for what they want and where they need to go and what's best for them moving forward in their career. So yes, consider it, but it doesn't have to be the only choice in you progressing and moving forward as well. Don't forget, you can come together with a whole collective of other filmmakers and actors and start producing your own content as well, Luke. So consider producing your own short films and building up to feature films. With that, what you have is an actual tangible asset, something that you created that has your name to an opening title, single title credit. If it's a feature film, people have gone to a cinema to watch that. So I think that there are so many different choices. One of those choices is Whopper, NIDA or VCA or those types of institutions, but they are not the only option. So my final bit of advice to you then, Luke, would be yes, go for the audition. Go for the audition and learn from the audition, but don't go to that audition for Whopper or VCA or NIDA hoping to get in. I want you to use it as a learning tool. Once you have been, I want you to reflect. I want you to look back and debrief on your experience at that audition, figure out what you did well, what you didn't do, and how you can continually improve. Plus, it potentially is also a great space for you to network and meet other actors as well. So that is my thoughts, Luke. Thank you so much for sending in your question. If you liked Luke's question, please give it a big thumbs up and click the share button. Share this video amongst your fellow actors. Now, if you're watching us on Facebook, be sure to like and follow our page. And if you are watching us on YouTube, simply click the subscribe button and then be sure to hit the notifications bell next to it. And finally, if you are watching us on iTunes, or I should say listening to us on iTunes, hit the subscribe button on all those platforms. We're going to keep you updated with every episode as it becomes available. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm going to see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another amazing question answered by me. I'm Lauren Johnson. This is Acting Classes in Perth. You're watching The Daily Show. We'll see you again soon. Like always, stay safe and happy acting.